Hey guys, I cannot wait to bring this video to you from Sand and Sky. Okay, so I have been working with this product for a little while on my skin, really wanting to see how it works. And let me tell you, when I say that this is a detoxification, if that's a real word for your skin, it is so detoxifying. So if you all do not like detoxing your body, detoxing your skin, do not use this product. Because when I say it's supposed to close your pores, make them smaller, it's going to do that. And also, it will have a small breakout in your skin if you do not wash your face after it, which I did not do. And my skin was being detoxified, and I had a few bumps, and then they just cleared up. When I say that this product is awesome, it's cruelty-free, I am in love with this mask. It dries very fast. It really, you could feel it going into your pores. I'm going to take you through the video of how I apply it, what it feels like, everything, and what my skin looks like afterwards. So just follow with me. All right, see you guys.
So I've washed my face already. I love to use the Purity Cleanser. I've shown that in at least 5 videos about my skincare routine. I cleanse my skin with my Purity Cleanser. I had makeup on. I love the Purity Cleanser by Philosophy. It is one of the best cleansers for my skin. I've used it for at least 7, 8 or more years. Now I have this Sand and Sky. It's a pore defining face mask, and when I got this from the company, I felt like I wanted to be able to use it for a while. I wanted to really make sure that I liked it, and I really like this. Like, it feels like it detoxifies my skin, because after I use it, like, I'll have like a bump come up. It's like it's pulling the impurities out of my skin, and I love that, and I think that's a great thing. But I'm just going to show you basically what it looks like and what it looks like on my skin. I leave it on my skin for about 10 minutes. I use a damp rag, and it's a warm rag, and takes it right off. It comes with this brush right here, and that's how you apply it. Use a very small amount. It comes also with this packaging, which I absolutely love. So cute, little makeup bag. So comes with this. You can kind of dry your skin, you know, with this. Love it. So you just use this, and remember, a little bit goes a long way. This is the container. Ooh, let me take the top off of this. And this is what it looks like. Hope you can see it. I don't think it'll run out. It's kind of thick. Okay, so again, just a little bit. And it's like I'm not even making any, and I've been using it for a while, but I'm like not making any indentation really in the product, because a little bit goes a long way. And the smell is so nice and pleasant. It's almost a floral smell. You really don't want to put it under the eye. You don't want to put any mask that gets hard under the eye. And this does get a little hard. Ooh, sorry, I'm going out of focus. Sorry, guys. My camera's been struggling lately. I don't know. I'm doing something wrong, I'm sure. And it instantly starts drying. You can really instantly feel it. And you sit it on your skin for 10 minutes. And I'll be back and show you how clean my skin looks. I mean, it just looks so clean. I might have my hair already done or whatever, but I just want to show you how clean my skin is. So as you can tell, it's gotten pretty hard. I like to take this Norwex face cloth. It's a microfiber face cloth. It's warm. I sit it on my skin. I just want to show you how easy this comes off. Sit on the skin, press it. Have y'all ever seen a mask come off this easy? You just kind of activate it again, and it just comes right off. But the way my skin feels, get up close. Look at my skin. Come on, I'm in my 40s. And I just feel like my skin looks so good. And the stuff that I use, is amazing. And nothing different than this Sand and Sky. Love it. I'm gonna take my Sand and Sky pad that I love. Just kind of